Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, I'm gonna show you what my wolf is looking like.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
And for all my OG supporters, y'all know a couple months ago, I did scout my waves. So if you knew how my waves looked like before then, you know I was spinning, alright? So for all my new subscribers, if y'all don't think I was spinning, if y'all think just because I got forks now, I wasn't spinning back then, just go back and check out my old videos and then come back to this and then let me know what you think. Y'all knew that after I scalped, I was trying to go for 540s. And then along the way, I kind of missed my 360 Beehive, so I decided to go back to it. And then with that came with a lot of forks because at that point, I was just trying to shift back to my old pattern, which is why I tell you guys, once you start brushing a certain way, don't transition to a different way along the way because that's gonna cause a lot of forks. So let's look at my waves now. Alright y'all, so that's what my waves look like now. So what I'm gonna do now is just coming back and show you guys what my wolf is looking like before I do a cut down. Alright, so y'all can see, this is how long I'm wolfing. This is about 6 weeks, I believe. Because I did cut my hair down about 6-7 weeks ago. So this is about like a 6-7 weeks wolf. I lost count, all right? Yeah, and I am supposed to be getting a cut on the 5th of March, okay? And then the next time I get a cut from there is March 26th. And I don't think I want to wolf all the way to March 26th. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut down the wolf on the 5th. The cut is definitely going to be by the one and only Clutch of the Barber. Alright, so you guys definitely need to stay tuned for that. And I think I'm gonna cut my hair down to maybe a 1.5 or a 2. Alright, but I might do 1.5 guard open, which is basically like a 2, but just a little lower, just a tiny bit lower. So you guys stay tuned for that video. But this is how my wolf is looking like. I don't want to comb everything back. And just want to comb out the front to show you guys how tall and how high my hair is looking. All right, it's not bad. It's not like no crazy wolf. All right, this is just what it looks like. Just a little update for you guys, and let me just comb it back real quick. Yeah, just a little update for you guys. Just to let you guys know what the process is looking like, what the journey is looking like. And I really appreciate all you guys that's been on a journey with me. And everyone that just came in and just thought that I wasn't spinning and I'm just reacting to TikTok waivers, thinking that I don't got no waves. Well, stay tuned, because in a couple of months I'm going to be elite again, which means 0 forks. My waves are gonna be flawless. It's just gonna be, just gonna be a fun ride. Just join it and watch my journey to becoming an elite waiver. I got a couple of forks. I know, yes, I'm going to break them. So yeah, I know how to break forks. I got a huge fork on my crown. That fork is there because, my crown was the main area that I was trying to change the pattern. It was like a 540 pattern, so my crown was the main area that I was trying to change. So there's a huge fork right there from trying to come back to the beehive, and also got a couple of forks on my right side because that's the side I was also trying to transition to the 540 pattern. But my left side is really like my best side right now because I didn't really make a lot of changes to that side. So it's still the same as a regular beehive. So it's less work to put in on that side. So all my work I'm putting in is on my right side and my crown. So in 2 months, staying consistent, I'm definitely gonna get my crown right, definitely gonna get my right side right. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. And I'm so excited because we're about to hit 300,000 subscribers. We came a long way. I'm very happy for that. We're just gonna keep growing from there. Road to 500K, then it's 800K, then it's 1 million, alright? No matter how long it takes, we're gonna keep our foot on the gas and keep growing. I really appreciate all my supporters. I'm grateful to you all. Love you guys. And I wanna just thank you for watching this video. It was just an update for you guys, all right? This is going to be a prerequisite video to, you know, the cut, because the cut is coming up. March 5th, I'm cutting down the wolf, and I'm gonna show you guys major progress. Because right now, the wolf is thick. You can't really see how deep my waves have gotten, how much I progressed. So after the wolf is cut, y'all gonna really see what I'm talking about. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed just a little bit of enjoyment, please make sure to leave a like, comment. And if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. You know, why not? Feel me? But it's your boy 360 Juice, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.